we all want to automate, but have you ever asked the question, why? Why do you want to automate? What's the gain? What's the benefit? In fact, the way I look at it, there are two possible benefits of automating testing. We're talking about test automation here. You can either automate to save yourself time as a tester, to make your own work go faster, and that's fine. That'll help you. If it helps you do your job, that's cool. You can do that. You can have your manual test case. You can say, hey, maybe I can automate this so that next time I don't have to spend so much time on it. And that's cool. That's fine. We've been doing that for a couple of decades. That's not a new thing. But there's another way of looking at automation. It's a way of thinking about automation where automation is not for yourself. It's not just to allow you to go faster. It's to allow your whole team to go faster. So rather than looking at your work and how you can make your testing better or faster, which is good, but you can do more than that. You can look at what you're doing and see how you can make your whole team go faster. And one really good way of doing that is not to automate your test cases, not to think in terms of automating your test cases, but to bring it all forward and say, right, here's an example of this requirement that if that works, we're good to go. If that works, then we're pretty happy that the feature works. And but there's also this case over here, this counter example, this edge case that we want to make sure that that doesn't work, because if that goes through, then our system breaks. So we have this positive example, it should do this, but it should not do that. So maybe we have a few examples that show what it should do and what it shouldn't do. And those examples, they become our acceptance criteria. And if you can automate those acceptance criteria, you can both speed up your development, you can streamline the process where your business will look at your feature and say, yep, that is what I want it to do. This is what we agreed on. This is what we're happy with. What can now work? What can we do next? Let's move on. So you're sidestepping a whole lot of testing, a whole lot of manual testing that you have to do by automating this core business requirement validation. And then you just do exploratory stuff. So that mindset is you're not automating to speed up your own work. You're automating to speed up the whole team. And I think that's a much better approach. What do you think?